Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to change tailored trends on Twitter. And here's what I'm talking about. This is twitter.com, not the mobile app. It's on a desktop computer. And you can see on the left side of the page, it'll say Trends for You. And here in this group list of things are trends that Twitter thinks are important to me. And you can see Manny Machado, some sort of baseball news, WWE Chamber, I think that's wrestling, something about John Wayne, something about Liverpool, something about Chloe. And there's all these trends here. And you may be thinking, well, why are they showing this to me? Because, honestly, I'm not interested in most of these things right here. But what's happening is Twitter thinks that you may be located in a certain area. I'm guessing they think I'm located in Los Angeles. And they're showing trends that they think I will like because other people in Los Angeles think that these are important. What you can do is you can actually change it so you're not seeing the same type of thing. So, and how you just click the change button to get going on that. Trends tailored just for you. So you can keep tailored trends, which means just keep what you have set up here, or you can change it to something else. Okay, so it prompts me already for nearby locations, and I'm located in the Boston area, but I could actually get even a little bit more focused than that. I could go to Providence, which is about 60 miles south of here. I could actually search location. So I'm based in Newton, Massachusetts. No results were found. But what I might do is just click on Boston. Okay, and I can even add locations. So I can add Boston and Montreal. And then I can click done. So let's see what happens when I reload the page. Interestingly, the trends seem to have shifted just a little bit. A few things are different. Some of them are the same. One thing I've discovered is that actually if you set up Twitter so you're not following any local area, you'll see a lot of foreign language tweets. It'll basically just be like global Twitter, and you'll see things in Japanese or Arabic or Spanish or whatever. That may not be valuable to you, but that can be interesting as well. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com, and thank you so much for watching.